My fridge is loaded with goodies right now, so let's check it out with a fridge tour. First up, we got raw milk, organic cold brew iced coffee, organic watermelon, local pasture-raised eggs, homemade sourdough with no folic acid, grass-fed ribeye, uncured hickory smoked bacon, prepped meals for my lunches. We got sweet potatoes and ground oryx meat. We got some oryx sausage and some grass-fed steaks, defrosting. 100% beef patty for my dog Rocky. Raw cheese and grass-fed liver. That's it for today. Catch you on the next one.